Hello, my name is Zach Red, and in this video I will be reviewing with you how to submit your final artifacts for Project 1 for grading in the course Operating Systems. The prerequisite, of course, is that you've completed Project 1 and you have your patch file correctly named p1.diff and your library artifact into this processlog.tar.gz file. Now, this can really be anywhere on the home partition. Just try and maybe keep them in the same directory. Okay, and for the purposes of this video, we're going to be executing with the virtual machine open, obviously, and it's going to be on a copy of the virtual machine that has our syscall installed. Okay, it's installed and running. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by cloning this repository that will be provided to you. You'll go to this link, you'll click on this code button, and then we'll copy. We're going to run the command git clone. Like I said, it doesn't have to be in this directory called myp1. But it should be near these artifacts. Once we clone that directory, it's going to create this new directory for us that has two subfolders in it, patch file here and process log tar.gz here. And we're going to put the patch file in the folder called patch file here and the library artifact in the tar.gz folder. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Here are our artifacts, and we're going to take care to preserve their name. We don't want to alter any names, otherwise we'll get an error message letting us know that we did that. Okay, so we're going to copy this file, and we're going to put it at this folder, patch file here, and it will be named p1.diff. Likewise, we're going to copy this file, and we're going to put it in OSP1. In that folder, remember these are two different folders. Okay, and now when we go back into OSP1, see that there are those two folders, and we can enter into them and find exactly our correct files in both of those folders. Okay, so take care to make sure that you've done this step properly. Remember, you will get that error message if you made a mistake. Okay, the last step that we're going to do, and then we're finally done, is we are going to run the script. Before we can do that, we have to tell Linux that it's a script and should be executed. So that's what that +x means. And now we're going to run it, and we're going to run it. If you don't run it with sudo, it'll ask you for sudo. I like to be careful and put it first. So we're going to go ahead and run that. Now, in the meantime, we're going to create a SFTP instance into our virtual machine. This process is going to generate a file for us, and we're going to get that file out of the virtual machine. Okay. So we're going to use our SFTP, right? We got this message telling us the submission file was successfully generated, and that submission file is called submission.bin. Submission.bin, okay. So now what we're going to do is in our SFTP, we are going to change directories into wherever this file is. So we are going to change directories into here, okay? And we're going to run get and then submissions.bin. Get submissions.bin, and now it loaded that onto your local computer, and this is the file you're going to submit on Canvas, submission.bin. You're also going to go ahead and submit your patch file, and you can run that. And make sure when you upload your patch file, it's the exact same patch file that you placed here. In fact, it would be wise to get it from the virtual machine, so that way you know that there's no chance that you would get the wrong file. Shouldn't have gotten out of there. So if you do want to fetch it from the virtual machine, go ahead and get that, and then make sure to submit this p1.diff file and the submission.bin file on Canvas. Thank you.